Every sunset in the evening signifies that the new sunrise and a new beginning is going to happen. Good evening, everyone. With great joy and immense exaltation, I extend my warm welcome to all the dignitaries, guests, and delegates present here for the webinar series organized by Diksha e-Learning in association with Ayurveda College, Coimbatore. In today's session, we'll be discussing about the role of Patya and yoga in healthy pregnancy outcome by Dr. Rakesh Nayak, MS Ayurveda, Assistant Professor, Department of Prasudi Tandra Evam Stri Roga at GJ Patel Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research, Gujarat. Before starting the session, I would like to go through few of the basic instructions to be followed throughout the session. Any question can be raised in the chat box. Question raised will be cleared at the end of the session. For the best stability, use a laptop and a high-speed internet connection. If your video is on, please make sure you are in front of a professional background. In case of any disruption, kindly check your internet connection firstly and wait patiently for the class to resume. Please make sure your microphone is on mute to have a disturbance-free session. Make sure you have your full name displayed so that it is professional. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Vandana, Assistant Professor, Department of Prasudi Tandra Evam Stri Roga, from Ayurveda College, Coimbatore, to deliver the welcome address. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shanti. Good evening, one and all. It's a true pleasure for me to welcome you all for today's webinar. As you all know, today's session is on the topic Role of Patya and Yoga in Healthy Pregnancy Outcomes by Dr. Rakesh Nayak, Assistant Professor, Department of Prasudi Tantram Evam Stri Roga, GJ Patel Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research, Gujarat. I extend a warm word of welcome to you, sir, for accepting our invitation and for being with us here today. Hope your valuable experience and views on vast clinical area will be enlightening to all of us. We are all delighted to listen to your words, sir. On the behalf of Ayurveda College, Coimbatore, I welcome you all delegates to today's session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcoming. Next, I would like to introduce our speaker of today, Dr. Rakesh Nayak, MS Ayurveda, Assistant Professor, Consultant, OBGY Ayurveda at GJ Patel Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research, Anand, Gujarat. He has completed his BAMS undergraduate degree in Vikram University, Ujjain, and has completed his MS Ayurveda in Prasudi Tandra Evam Stri Roga in Parul University, Gujarat. Also, he has an experience of 2 years and 6 months as an assistant professor in Prasudi Tandra Evam Stri Roga department at GJ Patel Institute of Ayurvedic Studies and Research and SG Patel Ayurveda Hospital and Maternity Home. Also, 3 years experience in Parul Ayurvedic Hospital and Parul Sevashram Hospital training in Prasudi Tandra Department and Obstetrics and Gynecology Department, Limda in Gujarat. Also, 1 year experience in hospital training in Government Hamidia Hospital associated with Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal, and 2 years experience as medical officer in Sparsh Multi-Speciality Hospital and Sukhan Multi-Speciality Hospital in Gujarat. Is also in additional qualifications like CTTC and SITD in Bhopal. He came out with flying colors. We're very joyful and cheerful on your presence among us today, sir. Now, without any further ado, let's hand over the session to Dr. Rakesh Nayak, sir. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you for introducing, ma'am. Today's topic is the role of the Patya and Yoga in healthy pregnancy outcomes. Good evening to everyone. First thing is introduce the what is the pregnancy is a beautiful phase in woman life, and life of woman is not completed until unless she gets pregnant and gives birth, and birth should not be risk both for mother and child. However, extra care needs to be taken by women during pregnancy. Adequate medical care of awareness of the society about the importance of the healthy pregnancy can also check maternal mortality and newborn death. Women must not go through pregnancy if she is poorly nourishment, physically weak, surrounded by myths and misconceptions. This is Ayurveda describe a systematic and planned programs of Garbhani Paricharya, and Garbhani Paricharya embeds the Ahara, Vihara and Vichar as these have a direct effect on the health of mother and child. The concept of Masanamasi Garbhani Paricharya and very explicitly described in Ayurveda, which can fulfill in the aims of having healthy progeny and Sukha Prasav. The Garbhani Paricharya in this regards is an unique concept with elaborate descriptions on quality and quantity of maternal nutrition, lifestyle, psychological status, which if followed can bestow a quality child. I think first thing is aims and objectives to provide optimum protections of fetus and mothers so as reduce maternal and neonatal morbidity and mortalities, to ensure continuity medical surveillance prophylaxis and for complete somatic and neural development of the fetus, to prevent or the detect and treat complications if any achieve normal delivery at terms, to get progeny of patients good strength, voice compactions and growth, to ensure Garbha Pushti and to prevent Kala Prasava, to, to support and soften the Garbhadharani in Kukchi, Kati, West Pradesh in order to prepare genital tract or labors and to maintain the normal wake of Mutra Purish in the pregnant woman to ensure normal expulsion of the placenta. The all aims and objectives. This is guidelines for diet. The first thing is Garbhani describe as suitable persons of Brahma Chikitsa. And these principles of diet is Santarpan Janyahara be given, the Hardaya Dravya Madhura Snigdha Padartha treat with Dipni Dravya and to be given. The following foods are adequate to eat and Chira Navnit and Grata, Mans Rasa treat with Madhura Lavana Padartha and Ushna Jala and Srita Jala, it is boiled in cold waters. Food articles advised by the Sastik Dhanya, Mung, Gumud, Laja, Sakti, Rasa, Sarkarga, and Madhu. And fruit advice are the Punson jack fruits, this banana, dhatris, and draksha grapes. It is all our Acharya says to the normal diet and regimens to follow in pregnancy. According to Acharyas, the normal is the first thing is Acharya Charaka. The Charaka described is the pregnant woman desire to produce of through is like healthy and good looking child should be given is non-congenital diet and mode of life to protect herself by doing good conduct and using congenital diet is for mode of life. Then Acharya Susru says if the pregnancy should remain in high spiritual spheres, decorated with ornaments, wear clean white garments, and perform religions, rites to auspicious deeds and auspicious dietary, the Brahmins and priests. Her sleeping and sitting places should be covered with soft cushions and mattas, not be very high positions, elevated upper positions of headrest and should be perfect of any comfortables. The next thing is Agara Susro says she should use palpable liquid, sweet and uncontinuous substance treated with appetizing things. This mode of life should be continued till deliveries. Then Acharya Vagbhat says to extend an internal use of Jivni group of drugs, affections the pleasant behavior of husband and servant help of the maintenance of pregnancy. Two cold decoctions of ponderous leaves of drugs capable of suppressing the vat, and whatsoever the established drinking or consuming the pregnant woman, same becomes congenital of the foods of the fetus. Thus, diet should be taken considering the place of living, time or session, and digestive capacity should be never to neglected. And her should be and her appropriate above the which is being fumigated where versus the being performed is the form insect mosquitoes. Vedic hymns and being rated Brahmans and songs. And instrumental are being is played. She should be used hot water mix and meats. Milk provide nourishment and stability of the fetus. The meat help of the achievement of pregnancy provide nourishment to the fetus and suppressions vat of pregnant women. Meat soup is super medicines for her. Meat treated with milk or mixed with store articles and salt is also beneficial. Told by Acharya Kashyap. The Acharya Harit says the advice use of the Suran Kand like this in edible tubers in the constipating articles along with their juice and all other congenial and beneficial diets and behavior. In fifth and eighth month after performing ostrations rites, she should offer food of Brahmans and family members. Acharya Bhavmishra says the Garbhani should stay happy, dress well, wear ornaments, stay pure, flowers, calibri, wear white clothes, wash, and Guru he should be take dravyas, lagu food processing by the Deepni, Hardi, Snigdin, and Madhur dravyas. The all over to the normal diet and regimens to follow by in pregnancy by acharyas. Next thing is Masanumasik Pathya to the acharyas month wise. The first month is it is non-medicated milk. And Susar said to the sweet cold liquid diet milk dalia use. And medicated milk is the Madhu Esti, Madhu Pushp and butter, honey, sweetens milk to first month. The second month to Acharya's milk medicated with Madhur Ras Dravya, like is Bala Satavri. And Vagvat same milk medicated with Madhur Ras Dravya and sweetened milk with the Kakoli Snigdha Gratam. The third month's milk with honey and grata. And Haris says cooked sasti rice with milk. Next is 4 month milk with butters. And Susru says the cooked sasti sali rice with curd, pleasant food mixed with milk and butter and meat. And milk is 200 ml with 10 gram with butter. And the Har says is medicated cooked rice. The 5th month, grath prepared with butter extract from milk. At the same to cook the sasti salic rice with milk meat soup along with entry foods mixed with milk and grata, as a same as charak, and payasa is rice cooked sweetened milk. The 6th month grath medicated with madhur varga dravyas. And grath is rice glucerol medicated with gokchuradi siddha gratam, and Hari said this sweetens milk. The 7th month SM grath medicated with madhur varga dravya. And the Susru said to Grath medicated with Prathak Parnayadi group of drugs. And RS says Grath is Khanda is the sweet dish used. 8th month is Shire Vagu mixed with Grata. And Susru says Astapan Vasti with decoction of Vadaradi mixed with Bala, Ati Bala, Patla. With it is milk, honey with Grat Astapan followed by Anuvasan Vasti or oil, medicated milk with decoction of drug of Madhu drug. This is Shiryavagu mixed with Grat Astapan Vasti, decoction of Badradi, and Novasan Vasti with medicated with the Madhu Dravya, and Grat Purak, the kinds of the sweet preparations. The 9th month is Acharcharak says the Anuvasan Vasti with oil prepared with drugs is Madhur group of vaginal tampons, these oils. The ungoodness release the meat soup of wild animals up to the period of deliveries. The different variety of series. Next thing is apatya ahara. This apatya ahara means fasting for long time, first thing. Second is frequently and excessive eatings. Still is fermented and heavy foods. Pungent, sour, salty, spicy, fatty, tin foods, excessive meals. Dry food articles like excessive consumptions of bread and other bakery fruit product. Chawana, bhel, pani puri, vada pav, and pizza burger like this fast food excessive intake of papad pickles sauce and noodles and the fruit salad mixing of fruits with milk should not be done. The cold drinks excessive intake of tea and coffee. The vegetables like excessive intake of brinjals potato peas beans bitter gourd onions garlic radish and methis. The fruit like excessive intake of papaya and pineapple. The all over to apatya ahara. The next is diet of sample menu. So generally to the during pregnancy, the sample menu of the diet planning, it is the meal times, in the bed time. Sorry, it is the bed tea. It of his first is soup fruitlet with navneet. This is quantity of 15 grams. Next thing is dry fruits like this figs, black races, almonds, dates, walnuts like this 20 grams, and the kheer made with rice to SOS. The second is mid morning. Mid morning to the draksha, anar, apple, banana, and orange. The quantity of 150 grams, yeah, 3 to 4 cups. Lunch time to vegetable soups is 15 grams. Roti, rice, mudak khichdi, it is 1 cup. And dal, meat, 8 eggs, paneer is 30 grams, yeah, 100 grams. This is green vegetables is 150 grams, ghee oil is 5 grams, and buttermilk is 150 ml. At 4 p.m., it does session fruits, seasonable fruits like this 150 gram, and roti khichdi is 2 nausea 1 cup, dal eggs paneer is 1 cup and 60 grams, and green vegetable is 150 gram. Ghee oil is 5 grams 1 teaspoons, and last thing is bedtime is milk is 200 ml and ghee is 10 ml. It is the normal simple menu of the diet. Next one is effect of consuming following rush in excessive quantity on baby. So first is sweet is madhura dravya. Like this, baby will be fed and maybe develop diabetes. Sour is amla, is the skin disease of eyes and allergies. The salty is lavan, the early grays of hairs, wrinkles on skin. The pomegranate katu is weak baby may causes or infertilities, and the bitter is thick rasa is the weak and dry. Estrogen kasa is the flatulence. Now it is dohardaya. So all over is known to Drohadaya. The pregnant woman possessing the two hearts, one on of her own, another of the fetus is called is Dohradaya. The causes of Dohradaya, the Acharya Charak told, the fetal heart formed with a maternal component is attached to the mother heart via Rasvahi channels. By these channels, it expresses its longevity through the mother. In other words of desire, expressed belong to the fetus, not to the mother. Acharya Susru said that during this period, due to the consciousness of heart, like Chetna, also becomes apparent as heart. It is the seeds. This is fourth month. The fetus desire the objective sound, touch, visions, taste, and smells of Indri. Like this, the effect of fulfillment and non-fulfillment of Dohardaya. The Susru says the mention the non-fulfillment of the desire products, the desire to produce the fetus which is humpback, crotons, lens, ideals, dwarfness, disshaped eyes, and has absence of eyes. Whatsoever she desires should be fulfilled due to fear of fetal abnormalities. The fulfillment of desire result is birth of child possessing high quality and longevity. Next one is Vihara. Vihara is lifestyles modifications. It's important things. These lifestyles of mother have pivoted role on the growth and development of fetus. Hence, appropriate vihar in a pregnant mother should be incorporated as a principles of Ayurveda. The place of residency. First thing, the place of residence, the ventilated, fumigated, free of mosquito, and recipients of hymens, music, instruments in home which can relax her and help to maintain the happy mood and positive impact on fetus. Next is bowel. Bowel is timely bowel and urinary habits. The bathing is daily bathing with clean and fragrant water like cold decoctions of pump of the bilva, rose, bitters, jetamansi, errant leaves, jivni gand dravyas of water prepared with the sarvagandha dravya that should be used of the bathing of pregnant women. The lepan with the chandana and the kapura, the pleasant and the mild odor perfumes may be used. The moonlight bath and cool airs. The local applications of the Lakshadi oils. The clothings. She should be always wear clean, loose, and auspicious white and light colored cottons garments and may wear or garments if she is like. The beating and place of the restings. The pregnant woman must be the cheerfully relaxed and puces. The sleeping and sitting place should be low covered with the soft cushions with support and should be perfect and very comfortable. The mother should take minimum 8 hours sleeping at a night and 2 hours is rest at daytime. Early to bed and early to rise. The shoes and belts. The high heel shoes, chappals should better be avoided in pregnancy. The constructing belts should be avoided. The dental cares, the good dental and oral care hygiene should be maintained. The dentist should be consultant if necessary. The care of breast, if the nipples are retracted, oily, preferably sesame oil, should be applied to nipple and should be pull out through the massage. The yogic practice, the practice of yogasana and pranayam under the supervision of expert is advised. This is the vihara. Next thing is mental activities. The mansik. This is a maintenance of the mental health along with the benefit diets and mode of living is necessary during pregnancy. The mental health not only provide good physics but also good sanskars on fetus. Following things are usables of mana prasadan, like this God guidance and the Guru Pujana, reading holy books, mind pleasance literatures, positive thinkings, listening plain and reciting of soft music, wearing of ornaments and flowers if interested, use of soft perfumes, and pranayam of mental health and stability of the pranendriya mana have two correlations and meditations. These mental activities. Next thing is Garbhopghatkar Bhava, the Apatya Vihara. The following mode of life and diet may have to adverse effect on fetus. First thing, traveling on rough roads, speedings and jerk vehicles, wearing red and dark color clothes, sitting and sleeping or hard on irregular surface, sleeping in supine position in second trimester wards, smoking, narcotic and sedative drugs and alcohol. Activity much beyond on capacities. Next is coitus should be strictly avoided in case of like recurrent abortion, history of preterm delivery, low-lying placenta. The suppressions of natural urge and excessive exercise, Swedan and Panchkarma like Vamana, Virechana, Nasya and Raktamokshans. All it the Apatya Vihara. Work work is exerts pressures on abdomen. Prolonged stay in hot sun and fast wings, looking, hearing and reading things which create the fear, terror and stressful conditions, worry, anxious, fears and grief. The visiting a lonely place on the cremation's ground. The act likely to promote anxious desires, talking in high pitch. Next is common rules for pregnant women having job and services. The important things is all our women in pregnant women do having job and services. That don't make hurry up at office time and leave home early. If daily traveling, avoided jerk vehicles and have a comfortable journey. Intermittent rest in the standing job. Long time sedentary work should be avoided. Pregnant lady must changes her posture or take a walk for 5 to 10 minutes every 2 hours. The avoid night working work. Leave home with heavy breakfast. Tiffin should not be contain only dry cooked vegetables or roti, but also included sorry, the also included dal, milk, butter, ghee, buttermilk, and lemons or fruits. The food should be nutritious and warm, and avoid long gaps and 2 meals instant like light food in betweens. The common rules for pregnant women having job and services. The next thing is yogasana, pranayam, and dhyana. The objectives of yoga for pregnancy. The first thing is to make awareness about certain yogic practice during pregnancy, to overcome the complications occurring in pregnancy, to disseminate the knowledge of understanding of yogic diet and lifestyle in pregnancy. A prenatal yoga can be very helpful in maintaining normal healthy pregnancy and preparing for labor, as it teaches the mother to take cues from her body and maximize its natural potential. There are many different kinds of yoga, but most of the poses can be alternate of fit the ability and need of the any individual pregnant woman. Some documented benefits of the prenatal yoga and reducing of the maternal stress, anxiety, reductions of the pregnancy related pain, and improve quality of sleep during pregnancy, increase the strength, flexibility, and endurance of the muscles around the pelvic regions, reduce risk of the preterm labor, and improve overall birth outcomes. The importance, the benefits of the prenatal yoga. The rules for yogasanas and pranayam, as a general rules, modify poses the make space growing builds and find poses they are similar but less demanding to the body. The blood sugar level can be deep more frequently in pregnancy. Although one is advised not to eat before doing yoga, the pregnant woman may need to have a light snacks and juice before class. More attention should be paid to pelvic floor awareness in all asanas and pranayam practice. The tuned the body with the growing baby with slow rhythmic breathing and relaxation imposed during the yoga practice. Do modify versions of balasans, Mrajakriyasans, Malasans, and butterfly yogasans. There is Bhadrasana. The focus on stability and strength rather than flexibility and endurance. The avoid asana compresses the uterus, like forward binding or closing twistings of asana, our stretching of the abdominal muscles. We practice open twisting by moving from the head to the waist only restoratives. The pose such as supported bridge with pillows and reclining the butterfly with pillow generally offer similarly but less demanding the back bends. The avoid inverted asanas like shoulder, head, hand stands compressing the abdominal in twisted standing pose like the Parivartit Trikonasana and the abdominal poses like the Navasana and the Naukasana. No lying on your stomach, asana like the Bhujangasana, Salabhasana and Dhanurasans. The avoid lying flat on your back if you flee, dizzy, sweaty notions, and short of breath. The avoid raising the hand above your head if disease when standing. The avoid Kapalbhati Kriya of any such establishing cleanliness practice. First thing is yoga is the first to the prayers. The prayers of the prayerful, the mode of enhance the benefit of practice. Together may have the help. We have protect, nourished, energies, brilliant and effective, and no bad feelings between us species. The prayers. Thing is knee movements. The knee movements techniques, the inhale conditions. The left, your arms up the shoulder level, palms facing downwards. Second thing, exhale. The exhale is the bends and the knee and bring down your body to the half squintly positions. Next one is in the final position, both the arms and thighs should be parallel to the ground. Inhale conditions and straight the body. Exhale will bring down the hands. They repeat it more than 2 times. The strength knees and hip joints, the stressness, and avoid this asana in case of the acute conditions of arthritis. Next is Sukhasana. Sukhasana technique, sit on the floor with legs stretched, Stretch in front, the seat erect with spine straight. Fold the right leg and turn the inside the left thigh, and then fold the left leg into inside the right thigh. The place the hand on the knee joints and relax whole body of the breath normally. This Sukhasana. The benefits of Sukhasana, this asana help of pregnant women for meditations which facilitate to overcome stress and anxiety during pregnancy to build a strong connections with your baby. Next means the Baddha Konasana. The Baddha Konasana techniques sit straight on the floor with spine erect. Bend knees by and try to touch the soles of feet each other's. Hold feet tight with hands. Inhale the deeply. Next is well exchange pressure thigh and knee down towards the floor by pressing elbow on thigh and breathe the normally. Finally, slow come up in the release. This is in benefit of the Baddha Konasana to the these asana improve flexibilities in groin and hip regions, make easy and smooth delivery for pregnant women. They stimulate and improve the function of the reproductive system in women. Next is Supta Baddha Konasana. The Supta Baddha Konasana techniques lie down on the ground, then gently bend both knee and bring together. Place your heels close to groin. The place palm side of hip and press downwards. Exhale, contract abdominal muscles, tailbones, the move close to pubic bone and feel the elongations in lower back and stability of spine and pelvis tilts. The the Supta Baddha Konasana benefits to the promote deep relaxations and rejuvenate the bodies. If stress groins, inner thighs and make flexibility in birth canals. Next is Savasana. The Savasana is the dead body posture. The Sava means dead bodies. The final position in this asana resembles a dead body. The study is supine relaxation postures and technique is lie down on your back with arms and legs comfortably apart, the palm facing upward, eyes closed. Relax of the whole body consciously. Become aware of natural breath and allow that it becomes rhythmic and slow. The remaining in the positions till you feel refreshed and relaxed. This is Savasana. Savasana it helps to relieve the all kinds of tensions and gives the rest of both body and minds. The relaxations of whole psychological system and physical and the mind reverts, take a U-turns and moves inwards, thus gradually getting absorbed. As the mind of turns quit and absorbed, the practitioner remaining undisturbed by the external environment. It is found very beneficial in management of the stress and beneficial of the management of stress and its is the Shavasana. Contraindications of yoga in pregnancy. The Bhujanga Asana, Dhanurasana, Halasana, Salavasana, Kati Chakrasans. The contraindication in yoga in pregnancy. Why? Due to the direct pressure on abdominal, the harmful of the fetus. The dhyana, these meditations. The meditations plays an important role in pregnancy, like this Om meditations and mantra chanting the prescribed in the pregnancy state. The mantra especially Purnam Adisham Purnamidam Purna Purnam Udachate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnaya Evadicate. The is advised during pregnancy which help in complete fetal developments. The benefits of meditations in first trimester sending the mantra create the healthy environment for the fetus in wombs. Her sanskar get the settings. It facilitates healthy growth of the baby. Mantras bring calmness in body and help in easy persuasion. The benefits of meditations. Last one is discussions. The Ayurveda very much aware about the need of maternal care during the first, second, and third trimester. They utilize the milk is other liquid diet first trimester pregnancy, essential to avoid the dehydration and malnutrition and other complication of pregnancy. The second trimester is the Koksuradi drugs and Prathak Pranayama group the help preventing edemas. And third trimester use of bus essential constipation, stating myometry and health of regulating function of during labors. The significance of monthly regimens. The monthly regimens is the already described the prescribed for Garbhani in various comparison broad objective antenatal and intranatals. The food advice for all 9 months is liquid semi-solid in form. This form of diet is most suitable during the entire pregnancy. In early pregnancy, nausea and vomiting are most common. The liquid diet prevents these symptoms. In almost all the month, milk is advised to the take daily. It is milk is complete food with all essential protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, and calcium. As such, it serves almost all the requirement of mother and fetus. In the second trimester, Mansras, Navnita, Grata, Dadi are advised. The growth of muscular and skeletal muscle start in the fetus from fourth month onwards. To support the muscle growth, Mansras is most appropriate food is contain the rich proteins. Navnit Dadi are advised for building the skeletal systems. The second trimester onward, there are chances of developing physiological edemas due to the hormonal changes. Due to prevent this, the Koksuradi Kratan Siddha Yavagu prescribed by in 6 months, it also prevent the pregnancy-induced hypertension. The Vasti is generally regulated the nerve systems and maintain the normally of Vata is control the Apana Vata and Prasuti Vrata uterine contractions. It is advised to take Snigdha Dravya like Grata, Snigdha Yavagu in third trimester. This make the pregnant woman Snig Siddha help losing pelvic tissue and ligament joints. This enables her body to face the labor smoothly. It also softness of genital tracts, thereby the prevent labor injuries. The Rasayan drug enhance the process of tissue buildings. In turn, the cell utilize proteins completely in building in the tissues organs. The normalies of these two factors are very much essential in the Garbha Niskraman. The Unipichus is advised to apply daily with Madhur Oshad Siddha Tel. This helps softening of the cervix, vaginal canal. There are facilitated proper dilatation that during labors. Softening of these two terms reduce the chances of birth canal injury, the cervical dystocia. The Charak says the use of these regimens from first and 9 month or vaginal canal Kukchi sacral region flag the back becomes soft. Vayu moves into its right path in directions. The feces, urine, and placenta are excrete or expelled easy by their respective passage. The skin and nails become soft. Women's grain stress and complacency delivery is it at proper times. Last one is conclusions. To decrease maternal and fetal mortality rate, it is essential to follow the simple regimens described in Ayurveda text. There's concept of the being extend the community and the Garbha Sanskar at many places. It is the need of ours proprietary Ayurveda concept the community achieve the healthy progeny with spiritual of leafletment will maintaining the health of mothers. The management of good physiology and psychological to achieve healthy mother and fetus is a step toward the Sukha Prasava. The yogic practice and diet are most important during pregnancy as well as throughout labor and on birth outcomes. It improves neuromuscular coordination, sleep, quality of life, reduce stress, anxiety, and increase the strength, flexibility, and endurance of muscles needed for childbirth. This is the all hours to references, and thank you. This is completed, ma'am. Over to ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It was great listening to you. And for the participants who had attended this session, Please be sure to post your questions into the chat box in your control panel, or you can raise your hands in the control panel and unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts to sir. Yes, Dr. Surya Narayana, you can ask your question to sir.
Good evening, doctor.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, actually, in the first trimester, what is the proper diet for the mother and fetus?
Mother and fetus, the proper diet is first is the lightweight. This light diet, the lagu supachya. This the normally it is the moong dal, rice, dal chawals, chapatis, and the fruits added, fruits like this, bananas, apples, and it is normal menus all mention the milk. It is most importance of milk and fruits, dals and the dry fruits all over in intakes.
Achha. Sir, in second semester, can we use malkangni achar, that's pickle,
Malkangni?
pickle or sharbat?
Yes, for Malkangni, the achar says to the second trimester usables, but these forms they depend of the forms.
Achha. Achha. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank. Okay.
Sir, shall we move on to the next question, sir? Sir, Dr. Rakesh, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, the next question is, can a lady deliver normally after LSCS with help of Ayurveda treatment? Is there any scientific research in this respect?
The normal deliveries after LSCS is lady normal deliveries. That is the research in this respect to the I know to the normally the Ayurvedic drugs apply the Langali. The Langali is the Bandhana, Varna Bandhana, and the other drugs to the used to in the Yavagu. Ekanthmane ago asana prasana Yavagu prajayani. The proper is not got it.
Okay, sir. Sir, which type of vasti should be given, sir?
Vasti should be given in the Acharya told in the Charak and Susruta Anuvasan Vasti and Astapan Vasti. Astapan and Anuvasan Vasti to the to given in the Susruta told is 8 months and Charaks is 9 months. The prepared with drugs is Madhur group of drugs.
Okay, sir.
This is like
Sir,
this Padrikwad, Bala, Ati Bala, Patla, etc.
okay, sir. Sir, can Mandura Vataka be prescribed in pregnancy as an iron supplement, sir?
Manduro Vataka.
Yes, sir.
Manduro Vataka, they prescribe this 9 month pregnancy, but proper is not got it. Madura. Hello.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, there is one saying, no, sir, like when there is an abortion, and then it takes certain time period for the next pregnancy, next successful pregnancy.
Pardon,
So,
ma'am.
so when there is an abortion happening in a female, then there can be successful pregnancy after certain time, or the uterus loses its stability or capacity to hold the implantation and all. So according to Ayurveda, how do you refer this, sir?
Yes, ma'am. The preconceptional care, the must be the panchkarma therapy, the repeat previously missed abortions, the miscarriage, all over to the conceived timing is the 1 years. And the pre-planning for the preconceptional cares and the panchkarma sodhan and saman therapies and the prevent and instabilities to the proper uterine proper sodhan like this, and the pre-planning of the uterus in the endometrium thickness and the uterus, the implant of the uterus, the it is best quality of the uterus. The panchkarma therapy is most important.
Okay, sir. Sir, can Matra Basti be equally effective, sir?
Matravasti equally the yes, maybe effect, yes sir, may ma'am, is the effective. The Anuvasan Vasti is a Matravasti is given to the effectiveness of the during pregnancy.
Okay, sir. Sir, can Rasaushadhis be given to the pregnancy in during pregnancy or not, sir?
The Garapal Ras already used to the Garapal Rasa. Rasaushadhi is the Garapal Rasa. And
Okay. Sir,
other was
and yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, ma'am.
Sir, when there is any complications for the mother during the pregnancy, which in that case, like other difficulties, like other complications, in that case, you can treat it with Rasaushadhis, or it's better to go with Kastaushadhis, sir.
Cast also is helpful, but depending of the complications on the utilized to the ras also these, the effectiveness, side effect, dose, matra, and time durations.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is postpartum hair fall and postpartum depressions and all, sir. For that, what kind of medications can be prescribed from Ayurveda, sir?
Okay. Postpartum depression, the hair falls, the Amalki. Amalki is good result, is Amalki Rasayan. In Bhangraj, tel is applications in Bhangraj. And meditation is helpful. Meditation is very helpful for this, causes the hair falls and stressness. And the Brahmi Vatis and Brahmi churnas. And Jatamansi is also helpful.
Okay, sir. Sir, during pregnancy, which type of pranayama should be practiced, sir?
During pregnancy, types of pranayams already discussed is the knee movement, Sukhasana, Baddha Konasanas, Supta Baddha Asanas, all over to use to practice.
Okay, sir. Sir, in that pranayama, we have Surya Bedai, Chandra Bedai pranayamas, no, sir. For example, Tamaka and all, we practice Surya Bedai. Like
Okay.
that, is there any specifications of pranayama during pregnancy, sir?
The pranayam, Surya Vedani, Chandra Vedani is the only for Anulom Vilom pranayam is helpful.
Okay, sir.
The other is, I think, no, say this. Okay, at this importance of the Anulom Vilom pranayam is best helpful in the during pregnancy.
Okay, sir. Sir, can we give a Garbhapal Rasa for how many days can we give, sir? Can we give it for 9 months?
This is continue for starting is 2 months. After 2 months to till deliveries is given, because the prevent of the complications of the during pregnancy.
Okay, sir. Sir, and which one do you think in this modern era, like there is difficulties in natural deliveries now, sir? So, which thing you feel it is the reason for this, the main reason for going switching on to cesarean?
Cesarean sections. Today era, I think, is the doctor's planning. Is there some? I think during pregnancy, the many complications is there. Is the CPD, cervical incompetence, placenta previa, and PPH, all our complications there, maybe due to the LSCS, but I think or other cases to the, I think is the business plannings. I think yeah, other which is the normally the complication during pregnancy. There is a shoulder dystocia, the S palsy due to increase in the fetal distress conditions.
Okay, sir. Sir, is Kapalbhati advisable during pregnancy, sir?
Kapalbhati is the avoided in during pregnancy. This is the increase the up and down with the Kapalbhati is the own abdominal pressures, the pressure to the own abdomen. Is it due to the, it is the deficient, yeah, this fetal distress, yeah, in these contractions.
Okay, sir. Sir, Koshtabadda in pregnancy, like what are the dietary norms and dravyas, sir?
Koshtabadda, it is the constipations like this. The Koshtabadda, yes, it is the dietary plan is the paleantry diets is fluids, liquid diets, and there is laxatives. And the paleantry is the oral fluids in liquids, like this
Okay,
juice
sir.
in the all over, only for paleantry diets to use to, and laxatives.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any medicines or diet could be advised to improve the complexion of the baby, sir?
Complications of baby to the these motions, I think. I do not know this complications too. The complication created, but maybe with
Okay,
the
sir.
only for paleantry diet. Yes.
Okay. Like in Tamil, we used to say the Kunguma Puno, sir, like the Kunkuma Pushpa. We used to give it with milk. So we believe in like that increases the complexion of the baby. How far it is true, sir?
Okay. Kunkuma Puspa.
Yes, sir.
Kunkuma Puspa is this not coated is these drugs.
Okay, sir. Okay. And to prevent prameha and other congenital diseases, what will you advise, sir?
The to prevent prameha of the congenital disease, to aid the preconceptional cares and the panchkarma therapies. The panchkarma therapies is the first things is the sammana sodhana and the prevent of the prameha and congenital disease to the Faltrikadi Kvata.
Okay, sir. Sir, what are the diet and dravya for recurrent banna in first trimester, sir?
Recurrent
Banna.
Nikatipana first trimester what we died in Travis. The first trimester diet is the Acharya says the Madhuk Dravyas. This Madhuk Sasti Sahadeva and Sursadi and the Garbh Stapaka Dravyas.
Okay, sir. Sir, what are the drugs in Ayurveda one should avoid to prescribe in pregnant women, sir?
Ras Ausadi is mainly less prescribed. Whereas Ras Ausadi is avoided. Used for caste Ausada.
Okay, sir. Sir, to prevent bija dosha, can Grita and Shira help as prevention, sir?
Yes, prevent beach those can grata. It is the Falagrata and male is the Aswagandha grata. Falagrata is important role is the can be apply in the prevent of the beach dosha. The Fal Aswagandha grata, Faltrika digrata, Fala Kalyan grata, Mahakalyana grata. is helpful in prevent of bija dosha.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you suggest some yogas for PCOS, sir?
PCOS regarding yoga, it's the first is Anulom Viloms in Kapalbhati during the and is the pelvic groins pranayams. Like this, the lower limbs movements, the knee movements, and the Dhanurasans, Dhanuasan, Trikasans, and Sirsasans. And the movements of the yogans in the rotations is also helpful in Bhujangasans and Vajrasans.
Okay, sir. Sir, can we revert genetic disorders diagnosed in first or second trimester?
It is the the create is the triple test marker, na? It is the genetic disorder diagnosis, the triple test markers, USG scanning, 3D scanning is also helpful. 3D scannings and triple test markers is also helpful in the genetic disorder diagnosis.
Okay, sir. But sir, can we revert the genetic disorder, sir? There is any cure, like if it is diagnosed in the early trimesters,
Okay.
there
It
a
is
possible.
okay. It is the reverted diagnosis to the use to the like this. I think it is Panchakarma. This is helpful. Is the revert genetic disorders diagnosis and treated.
Okay, sir. Sir, you prescribe some gritas, no, sir. If these grita should be continued throughout the pregnancy, sir, to prevent the bija dosha.
Satavari Grata is the continuous. Should be continued throughout the pregnancy. Satavari Grata.
Okay. Sir, jwara in first trimester, what are the medicines advisable in pregnant women?
The Giloy Sattva in the Maha Amrita Arista and Sudarshan Ganvati is also helpful in Jwara. And in the Pathyadiyar Maha Giloy Sattva and Amrita Arista. Amrita Arista is helpful.
Okay, sir. Sir, will daily grita administration in pregnant women lead to premature delivery or something like that, sir?
Pardon?
When there is daily administration of grita in pregnant women, will it lead to premature delivery or any other complications like that, sir?
The daily Grata use is not too complication due to the preterm labor or preterm deliveries. It is the Gun Karma Dosha Pradhana, its importance thing is
Okay, sir. After delivery, what diet or medicine could be given to the lady to have uterus in its normal size?
after delivery the after delivery diet plan should be with the Ushna first thing is the Amo Deepan Pachana Dravyas. First two prescribe or administrative Deepan Pachana Dravyas, the Panchakola Churna, Sundhi, the Osad Sevan. And in the diet planning is the Dalia like this. Dalia in this good. It is good and Ushna Grata. Grata Guda Paka, the Cheer Paka, and Avlehe. It is helpful for the after delivery. It medicine is the Panchakola Chuna, Sobhagya Shunthi, the or Am Pachanavati, Chitrakadi, the Deepni Pachin Dravya. It must be helpful for the after delivery.
Okay, sir. Sir, the Rakta Chapa or Rakta Vega in pregnant women. For this, what are the safest dravyas, sir?
Safety drivers is the the Rakta Strav the Rakta Stambhakavati. I think the Bolbadda is Lodra Churna also helpful.
Okay, sir. Sir, in today's era, we see many patients, many pregnant women in the ninth or 10th month. There won't be pain for them, sir. Even the amniotic fluid would come out and the baby is ready to come out, but the uterine contractions are not normal. That is why we switch to cesarean and all. So, how do you correlate it with Ayurveda, and what do you find a solution that way, sir, for that?
There is the created like this anytime with the CBD. It is shoulder dystocia, the cervical incompetence due to in the Ayurveda to produce it is the Langley is helpful, otherwise in the go for LSCS.
Okay, sir. Sir, and what's the treatment for habitual abortions?
Habitual abortions treatments. First thing is it is a one tablet, sorry. First thing is the pre agar habitual abortion recurrent the starting first planning of the panch karma. This is due to the recurrent abortions does not done. Due to the Vidangadi Arista is helpful. Vidanga Arista and it is the tablet form the torchinil. Torchin tablet is 1 BD for continuous till the 3 month. I think continuously 3 months. Then the pregnant and the Vidanga Arist and the Torchin tablet is the given.
Okay, sir. Sir, what can be given in hyperemesis gravidarum, sir?
Hyperemesis gravidum is the most important is the Laja Churna, Sardi Ripuvatis, Laja Churnas, and Strofa. It is helpful for the hyperemesis gravidum.
Okay, sir. Is there any treatment for oligohydramnios, sir?
Oligohydramnios is the importance the hydration is they go for the liquid is the narel pani is best option of the oligohydramnios the recurrent the replacements though narel pani is most important. Then is the liquid planning and is the modern era is the arginines is the sachets is intake. Another one is the liquid IV fluids.
Okay, sir. Sir, how to overcome deep depression in first trimester, sir?
Deep depression in first trimester, it is the anxieties, stress, and night walkings, the feeling of the this. This meditation is helpful. Meditations, pranayams is helpful for the deep depressions and relaxations.
Okay, sir. Sir, treatment for unknown cause of infertility.
Okay. The treatment first thing is unknown cause of infertility is due to the phase the all our rule out. Then unknown causes. Then is the uh, Achara text cassette is the Devyapa Chikitsa is helpful. Other one is it is the maintain of the physiological cycles, menstruation cycles, and the male is the semen analysis, the all over to the normalist criteria. The next is Devyapasa Chikitsa is helpful is the unknown factors. Like this, the Mannat Bada, etc.
Okay, sir. Sir, in IUGR case, what type of diet and medicines should be suggested, sir?
IUGR case is the Jivni Brahani Dravyasa. Jivni Brahani Dravyasa useful. The IUGR cases, the diet is the Madhur Sisnik the Ahara. This Dugdha, Chira Bala, Atibala, Satavari, Aswagandha. It is helpful for the IUGR and mixed medicines.
Okay, sir. Sir, is supine positional sleep posture is good for pregnant women, sir?
Supine positions are good for sleep posture, good for pregnant women because the relaxations of the abdominal. There is no for pressure of the abdomen.
Okay, sir. Sir, how much Nidra is advisable in third trimester, sir?
Nidra is normal is the 8 hours. It all are explains in the Vihara. The Nidra is the 8 hours is normally candidate and 2 hours at the day times. That all over to 8 hours is the beneficials for the stressness, and all over the physiological functions. The good for Nidra is normal is it is 8 hours is good.
Okay, sir. Sir, so can you advise some common diet, like which could keep the hormonal balances throughout the pregnancy, sir?
Hormonal balance, the diet is light diet first thing. The avoided is spicy food like junk foods. The all over the foods and salted is avoided, and intake only for the light diets like these chapatis, dals, cereals, and meals or only parent liquid diets, and other is the semi-solid diet is the dalia other is the and helpful for the master other medicine sites by diet planning of the only for liquids and dry fruits and fruit juice.
Okay, sir. Sir, what will you advise in mood swings during pregnancy, sir?
Mood swing during pregnancy is the helpful for the meditations. The meditations is the most helpful in the mood swings, and it is a family background behavior is important things. It is the any causes of the ahapatapa, and talking about this, it is negative feedback is impact is distance and positive ways is increase. This the all over to the positive ways and family backgrounds is positive impact, that is mood swing is the dissolve.
Okay, sir. Sir, which flowers are not smell during first trimester?
The the many causes in the first trimester is the non-smellings flowers. In the pregnancy of the olfactic nerves is not recognized due to the hormones imbalance in the hyperemesis already. It is the first trimester increase the uh, not smelling during first trimesters. The proper is the not recognized this.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you please suggest medicines to be given in advance to have healthy semen and ovum while planning for pregnancy, sir?
Medicines diet plan, ma'am. Hello.
Medicines to be given in advance to have healthy semen and ovum while planning for pregnancy.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
have healthy semen and ovum.
Healthy seminar is the ashwagandha, satavari, and all over to jivni brahani dravyas is helpful, and the satpushpa already helpful in the healthy ovums.
Okay, sir. Sir, since purgatives are contraindicated in pregnancy, how to deal with the constipation in pregnant women, sir?
Purgatives contraindications. The deal for constipations in pregnancy, either a light diet, it is the great, and the other thing is medicines with the oral form is the fumigate is the Julsa syrups and the liquid diets, and the other formula is available like these Julsers, liquid, the amino liquids all over.
Okay, sir. Sir, do dravyas are helpful in pedal edema during pregnancy, sir?
Pedal edema during pregnancy and Dravyas helpful of the Goksuradi Guggula, Prashnaparni and Goksuradi is helpful in the pedal edemas. Dravyas.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any complications of Garbhapal Ras as advised in pregnancy?
Complication of Garapal Ras in pregnancy to the advice to the first thing is the dose is reduces 1 BDs to one oral. Another is the medicated to the first determine of the complications. What do will complications created and subside through all over to line of treatment then complication related.
Okay, sir. Arsha, Parikartika, what to give medicines for this during pregnancy, sir?
Earth's parikartika, the first two due to the earth is the importance the during pregnancy the constipations to create the first thing is the bowel is clear. The bowel is clear like this the abhaya arist to give one to the medicines abhaya arist.
Okay, sir. Sir, medicines or diet to be advised in gas trouble during pregnancy, sir?
Medicines.
Or diet for gas trouble during pregnancy, sir?
Okay, medicine is the diet gas trouble in medicines to the Lagu Susekar and Ayurvedic churnas and Chitrakadi Vatis and all over to the gas troubles to the Hingwastak. And the diet plan is the liquid diet in the warm waters. It's also helpful and soap miseries is a very important useful for soap varialis. The soap and misery is helpful for the gastritis.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any special yogasanas which can be suggested in infertility? Any separate asanas for male and female? And was there time for doing that, sir?
The yogasana asana is the first thing is Surya Namaskar is common. The very helpful for male and female infertilities is the Surya Namaskara. First. And second one is this is the all over to the pelvic region growing yogasana. It is the Dhanurasana the before pregnancy. It is the Dhanurasana, Vajrasans, Makarasans, Trikonasans, Uttanasans, Padmasans. All are helpful in the female and male both are. The most important Surya Namaskar is most important.
Okay, sir. Sir, is Surya Namaskara indicated after pregnancy, sir?
Before pregnancy, ma'am, only infertility is na male and female infertility. Surya Namaskar after pregnancy is the contraindication.
Sir, and how to improve Shishu in Garbha, which yogas are better for it, sir? For memory of the Shishu.
The meditations. Meditations is most important, the yoga of memories and either Priya Kathas Sravanas like this, the Adhyatmic related, the sound is the and yogasan like this, the only asana is the meditations, pranayams, anulom viloms, and other thing is the sound is created the listening in the historical stories like this pre katha the Ramayana, Gita Vachaka, sorry, I think Mahabharata not to advise well, but in the Ramayana and the Gita, and the other thing is the Vishnu Purana, Mahadev, all over to the importance it is effective on the Shishu in Garbha. and the memories is improved. It is the Yodha related any stories.
Okay, sir. How far are Ayurvedic Vedya drugs be helpful in improving the memory of Shishu, sir?
In the Brahmi, Jatamansi, and the Sangpuspi is helpful for the increase the memory booster.
Okay, sir. So should Asava Arishta be used, sir? Because WHO has prohibited the use of alcohol and narcotics in pregnancy. What's your opinion upon that, sir?
Asavarishta, the Asavarishta is the other optional drugs usables. The depending of the uh, depending of the complications and sign symptoms. And other optional is not got it. This is how to prescribe doing Asavarist.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you please explain your clinical experience in Pumsavana?
Yes, Punson Sanskara is good result in healthy pregnancy outcomes. The many cases of Punson Sanskara, the after before 2 months to the Punson Sanskara to treat it, the Vatanku या Vatshrang depending of the numbers and Shira. It is the crust and usable to the Punsavan Nakshatra. In the right nostril and left nostrils, and first thing is the Sarvanga, the nostril Abhyanga Svedana and Pushpa Nakshatra intake to the medicines, the Varshunga and Chira. It is first is Nasya drop in the similar 8 to 10 drops, and the remaining two dravyas is the oral intake, and good result for the healthy pregnancy.
Okay, sir.
Any other question, ma'am?
Participants, you can post your questions in the chat box or you can raise your hands in your control panel and ask questions to sir. Sir, apart from this allopathic scannings and all, apart from that, from Ayurvedic, like without doing all this scanning and all, what can you see the symptoms for healthy growth of the child inside of it, inside the garbhasana?
It detects the USG determinations. The health of the growth is progress in the month wise. The depending of the USG, the CRP, the brain diameters of the brains, head circumference, chest circumference, the all over circumference is the proper increase in the month wise. In the normal height and weight, it the healthy pregnancy is growing, but is the depend but is month according is the not height weight and proper diameters is the not healthy baby pregnancy.
Okay, sir. Sir, when there is Pandu for Garbhini, like what you suggest? Sir?
Pandu Garbhani is the Punarnava is the best for the Punarnava is the Pandus. Sorry. Punarnava is Kamla. Okay, sorry. The Pandu is the anemic conditions due to during pregnancy is the most of women's. It is this disorder, this complaint of it is the HB level is decreased. It is the Pandu is anemic conditions. Due to the first thing is diet plan is must be. The diet plan must be to the it is vegetables like this palak, methi, the green vegetables is importance, and is the butter goat, and this is the saljams is the helpful for in the pandus. For this diet planning and fruits, dry fruits like this, the draksh is the almonds and madhu and draksha for helpful for is the pandu. And this medicine like this is the anemic is the amalki rasayan, and it is the loho asav. It's helpful for the in pandu conditions.
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any medicines that can be prescribed before pregnancy, like to choose the sex of the baby? Like if they want a girl or boy, like in that case, is there any your clinical experience on that, sir?
Before pregnancy,
Like if the couple desire to choose the sex of their baby,
uh-huh.
like for a baby girl or baby boy in their next pregnancy, what medicines to be prescribed, sir?
uh, it is the properly bended, this the determinants of the sex and the male baby, female baby, but is the away of this is the only for healthy pregnancy. The depend of the either the via orally, it is the advice for healthy pregnancy, but is the sufficient is the ora is the male baby, female baby is the advisable. But is the first thing is the panchkarma therapies, the panchkarma shodhana, samana shodhan therapies, and then fair advice for the punsavan sanskara. It is go for healthy progeny, not of male female. It is already bended, no ma'am.
Okay, sir. Can you please suggest treatment for belated ovum or recurrent abortion, sir?
Validated ovums and recurrent abortions. It is already recurrent abortion advised by the Vidangaris and the Torchilin tablets and oralis and bilated ovums. It is the Satawaris is helpful, and the Ilos compound is helpful for in these conditions.
Okay, sir. Sir, what can we give instead of folic acid?
The Ayurveda era, according to Ayurveda, is folic acid instance. The instead of folic acid, yes, instead of folic acid, treat to the dose depending of the dose. The 300 mgs and mgs is 1 OD, and calcium will be alternate the morning shifting and this evening shifting is folic acid.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Folic acid is the prevent of the neural tube defect, like the congenital anomalies, any congenital deformities, the neural tube defect, the spina bifida like this.
okay, sir. Can you explain the advantages of using curry leaves and with takra during the pregnancy, sir?
Takra and
Curry leaves, kaidarya. Like they used to say for preventing the vomiting and all, we can use these combinations, sir. So,
okay. Takra is helpful in the metabolism related, either due to the prevent of the constipations. And the digestive tract is the good for the not increase the flatulences cases and uncomfortables. This is comfortable and digestive tract and helpful for mainstream constipations and the digestive tract digestive power increased.
okay, sir. Sir, I think we've answered almost all the questions, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
There's one more question, sir. Will postpartum hair fall subside with calcium supplements? Like, what medicine should be prescribed as calcium supplements, sir?
Calcium supplement kukkutanda tvaka, ma'am. Kukkutanda tvaka basma is the most important the calcium ingredients in the kukkutanda tvaka. The importance is this. And
Okay.
all over the calcium supplement is all over in the green vegetables, all over used in milk. Milk is also produced with the calcium blockers. But the kukutan is the most importance of the calcium blockers. And through the songs, ghouls.
Sir, can you say the dosage of that, sir?
Pardon me?
Dosage, sir. Dosage of Kukutan.
Kukutan is depending on the forms. The tablet form is 2 BDs, and this is the other form is other pharmaceutical companies to depend of the formula. And forms, which forms? The tablet forms, syrup forms, the all over this. Like this, the tablet form it is 2 BDs. And the other okay, see, Avla. It is the hair falls. The importance this is Avla is best result for in the hair falls. This Amalki Rasans, Rita, Sikakais, and um, I think only Rita Sikakai and Amalki. The good result for hair falls. And Bhrangraj is also helpful in the local applications and other medications. It is a mehendi like this. These local preparations is this mehendi, dahi, nimbu, shaj, and shaj means buttermilk, and boil lukewarm is tea. The mixed preparations is all overnight and apply for the hair falls. So apply for on hair and head. The dry for after 2 hours and washing the hairs. And after it is they use for the local application, local to Bhrangraj oils. Continue this bedtimes.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for answering all the questions with so much patience and sharing your valuable time with us, sir. Now, I'd like to thank all the delegates, all the dignitaries, all the guests, especially the speaker, and also the Diksha members who are behind the screen, and also the Ayurveda College members who have made it a successful webinar of today. Thank you, everyone. As we have come to the end of the session, dear delegates, our next Diksha free webinar series will be conducted on 3rd of March on how to manage eye diseases with available drugs in general practice, taken by Dr. Pundarik Aksharao, MS Ayurveda, Professor and HOD, Department of Shalakya Tantra, Ayurveda College, Coimbatore. Thank you everyone for joining us today. For further details on our upcoming sessions, stay connected with us in all our social media. Hope you all had a great evening. Good night. Thank you, sir.